cooking video. I did all those old videos. I'm doing a new cupcakes.
Funfetti cake. We're not gonna do cupcakes. We're gonna do cake.
So what I turn on first?
So look at the box. What do you see?
I need water.
Water. So pour your water in. Be careful.
I know I have a little bit.
That's okay.
Now,
What else do you need?
oil.
Okay.
Now I need to put eggs.
How many? How many do you see?
3.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. 3 eggs. Good job.
1.
Do you need help cracking it?
I got it.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, put that in your cup. Put that in your, yep. Good job. 1 on the table. There you go. Good job.
Now 1 more.
Okay.
Yeah. But now.
Now use your whisk.
How long the time have to mix it for?
Keep mixing it until it's like really watery. Until those egg chunks are all mixed in.
All the eggs have to mix in.
Okay, here you go. So put that down on here. There you go.
Well, I got it. It don't look like confetti cake yet.
It doesn't look like confetti cake yet?
Yeah. I'm gonna make it more. You can't leave it like that. Eat it like that. Okay, here we go. Now we got to do what?
Mix it up, girl.
Again?
You got mixing the cake.
No good, guys. It looks like oatmeal confetti cake.
It looked like oatmeal confetti cake. Oh,
Bang, it's like muffins.
it's like muffins?
Yeah.
Yes, I love confetti cake.
Comment down below if you made it before, guys.
Comment down below if you made some funfetti cake or cupcakes before.
Because this is cake. Make sure you don't eat it. Make sure you don't eat it like
Yes,
that.
you gotta eat. Good job. You gotta cook it first, right?
Yeah. You can't eat it like this.
Why can't you eat it like that?
Because it'll taste nasty.
And because it has raw eggs in there. You
Yeah.
can't eat raw eggs. Try with your spoon? No, with your spoon? You want to try to do it with the spoon? There you go.
Get it off. Your mom gets it. Your mom go. Mom, is that enough?
Yeah, I'll say that's enough for now.
Yeah.
Good job.
Now, we did to this one.
I put oil and stuff on the pan so that the cake doesn't stick.
Ooh.
Would you tie it?
Yeah. like that.
Let me see. Okay.
Okay, guys. Yeah, put the cake in the oven. Bye. We're back, guys.
And what is it time to do?
Cut and ready to put a frosting. Oh.
Hey.
Let's get
So, yes, here you go. There you go. You wanted to do what?
Taste some.
Taste some.
I really taste them.
So Skylar wanted a 2-layer cake. So we are gonna put vanilla frosting in the middle of the cake.
I'm tasting.
You already tasted it. You keep saying you want to taste it. You're tasting it. I'm watching you eat it.
I can eat it in my video too.
All right, so.
Love licking it. It's so good licking it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You got it, Mom. You did 2 layers.
Now it's time to use.
The orange.
So now it's time to open
I don't want to put
the purple. You don't have to put sprinkles. You don't want to put sprinkles?
I don't.
That's fine. So now.
Look at that. I told them we're gonna play me. They didn't have it either.
Now. Oh, it's breaking. No.
Cover it. Cover a brick. Cover it. Sure.
I'm like using the frosting like glue. Hold up. Let me just get down here. Hey guys.
Hey guys, now in my video.
My hair's a little messed up. That's what you're about to say?
No.
What you about to say? You said her hair's a little. What were you about to say?
Nothing.
It is. My hair is messed up. It's okay though. We're out all day today. Skylar was swimming today. So earlier today we. Seriously. Earlier today we baked the cake. And now tonight we're frosting the cake. We baked the cake and then we headed out.
I see that one. It actually think the same thing as that.
It's the same, basically the same, except it's called bold purple, but it's vanilla. Just like that's vanilla.
I'm gonna try that one. Can we try that one?
What one?
That kind.
This purple?
Yeah.
They taste the same. They're both vanilla, girl.
No, it's made out the same thing as that.
Yes. It's just food coloring on it.
That's how like dye, guys.
That's like dye.
Like tie-dye.
Oh, the inside isn't tie-dye, but the inside is colored. Like, confetti. Girl, you for real are just like licking your hand. You're just everywhere with this.
I'm gonna help you.
Oh, it's too late. I finished.
No, we have that part. Help me.
I never made a 2-layer cake, but it wasn't that bad. We've been watching How to Cake It with Yolanda Gimp.
That her name is Yolanda Gimp?
Yes.
Yolanda.
Here it goes. It looks like Skylar did it though, even though Mommy did it. Here you go.
I'm gonna take it off.
Oh, that's all you want to do. So are we done making the cake?
Yes.
We should cut a piece.
I can see it inside, yes.
Yes. All you worried about is that.
Yes, and look at it.
cut a little piece.
Baby piece.
A little baby piece. Alright, Skylar said cut a piece so you guys can see the inside. I'm pretty sure you guys have Funfetti cake before, but if you haven't, you must try it. And comment down below and let us know your favorite piece of cake. This is what the inside of it looks like.
Want to see inside?
Want to take a bite? Want to take a bite?
A little bite. Love it.
Okay, guys, we will see you next time in the next video.
Comment down below. Big thumbs up.
And we'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.